Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a fresh arrival, a 2023 Solitude 280RK, beautiful big luxury fifth wheel from our friends at Grand Design. The 280RK model is a rear kitchen layout, as you may have expected. Take a quick look at the outside here. We've got two awnings on the outside, one on the big slide out. You see those nice big automotive grade glass windows on there. You've got another awning at the front of the camper and cover up the camping space to the side of the trailer if you want to enjoy your campsite experience with this beautiful unit. We'll head inside and take a look around. Again, a rear kitchen model, so a great layout for socializing. You see as soon as you walk in, you've got a nice big electric fireplace. TV is on a lift, so in behind there, if you do want to watch TV, but you do have the window to brighten things up here as well. You can see the entertainment unit. It's got speakers installed, storage above. Nice big residential size fridge. Step back, you see you have the nice combination here of an island kitchen as well as some great floor space in this unit. 4-burner cooktop, nice big oven underneath, storage to the left, a full-size microwave above. Again, most of your residential features in a unit of this size and quality. And with the kitchen space, you've got a high-rise faucet. You see the solid state countertops, all kinds of storage underneath, some storage above, and a nice big pantry space as well. This unit is dishwasher prep, so if you're inclined to have a dishwasher in your camper, you're looking to do some long-term or seasonal camping, you can put a dishwasher in as well. Now we've left the wrappers on the chairs, but you can see the nice quality finish there. You get 4 chairs with your dinette. 2 of them will fold up for easy storage, so if it's just the 2 of you, you've got a spot to stick those underneath your bed, and you can just have the 2. If you have company, then you can add in a couple to have a 4 set. There's your fold-out couch. If you do have company that wants to come and stay the night, that'll pop out, but it also makes for a nice entertainment feature if you want to sit back and enjoy the features it has, the cup holders, the extra comforts that come with that, and of course that is sat right across from your entertainment unit. Stepping back to take a look at the coffee bar space. Again, great storage, nice countertop there. You've got some switches and plugs underneath there, as you can see. Nice and conveniently tucked in out of the way, but all kinds of lights and plugs to make your experience that much more enjoyable in this unit. And some storage above. Heading towards the nose of the camper, storage here to the immediate left. That one is going to contain your switches and monitors and that sort of thing. There's also one thing I'll point out is you've got this LCI touchscreen to control most of your functions, as well as your traditional switches and buttons to check everything. So you've got a couple of different ways of doing it. Beautiful front windshield here on this, and of course that'll fold down with a shade so that you can have some privacy and keep the bedroom nice and dark for those mornings you want to sleep in. You've got fully featured side tables, light switch, USB plug, traditional plug there as well. That repeats itself on the other side. Nice big king bed in here, padded headboard. You've got a window on this side. Stepping back, you've got another wardrobe over here. So the wardrobe is the 3rd slide. Really opens things up to get into the bed, as well as to get into the bathroom, which is an ensuite. It's just off the bedroom, which is very convenient. Got a TV built into the bedroom as well. We'll take a step into that bathroom and check it out. Beautiful bathroom here from our friends at Grand Design. You see the matte black faucet repeats itself that you see in the kitchen as well. Storage above and some great storage below. Sauna style shower with the matte black fixtures in there as well. You got a skylight there to brighten things up. You've got a seat if you want to just sit back and relax in the shower. Foot flush toilet and some storage there right above the toilet, conveniently located. Take one last look at it as we wrap things up. This is a 2023 Solitude 280RK, beautiful trailer on the lot here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. We do have new models arriving daily we'd love to show you. Come on in and see us, folks. Camping season might seem far away when it's this cold out, but honestly, this is the time to come in. Best selection, best deals. Get yourself a nice new RV as we head into the holiday season. We'd love to see you at either Quispamsis or Moncton.